A series of repairs have been done to this old tractor. Stabilizer bars were built. A trailer was repaired. Let's put all this equipment together and put it to work, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. For those of you that love fresh, shiny paint, there you go. The stabilizer arms and brackets now have shiny red paint on them for rust prevention. Shaking this thing, look. She's holding strong, boys. As far as I'm concerned, the stabilizer bar project is a complete success. It holds the implements real rigid to the tractor. It's nice, you know, and you don't have to fool with your arms flopping back and forth when you're on the side of the hill and stuff like that. It's great. Plus, it's easier to hook your attachments up, and I never knew that because I never had sway arm bars, stabilizer bars like this before. But you can, you know, get them the size you need and just back up to the equipment and hook it up, so that's really nice too. So it's time to clear a little more of this brush out and put that chipper to use. You know, around the edges of the fields, everything gets so overgrown, you know, so I've started chopping everything down here with an old dull chain on my chainsaw. Look who's come to visit us. There's a Douglas and an Abigail. Douglas is a mess. Abigail. What are you doing, Abigail? She's gonna play with Douglas. That's it for tonight, guys. It's getting too dark to film. Let me give you a quick walk around of how far we got. All right, so we made a little dent in it. Got some of the brush cleared out there. And that's how far our progress is so far. Hadn't been out here that long, guys, maybe an hour at the most. And here's our chips so far. And we will see you tomorrow. So it's the next day, and the rain is coming down. My little tractor is over there getting rained down, soaking wet, but that's okay. So we won't be doing any more wood chipping today. So because of the rain, that's the end of this video, guys, but I hope you enjoyed it. As far as YouTube goes, it's time now to push forward, turn the page, and we're going to move on to the next project. If you're interested in knowing what that is, check out Kentucky Yankee on Instagram. That way you'll know before everybody else what we're getting ready to work on next, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.